7 Delta Golf, roger, contact ground point 9 and he'll get you back to the left. He's got at least another 3 minutes for a citation and a Renton.
Oh, this is
2872, Boeing Tower, welcome back. Runway 14, right, clear to land.
Down to
traffic over Pier 91, inbound to Boeing 737, caution late service.
Okay, got him inside. Helicopter 441, Mike Romeo, we have them inside.
Boeing 872, traffic approaching the Needle, doing some low-level circuits. Currently at 1,200 feet, the helicopter they do have you in sight, so remain easy.
Are we approved for?
Sir 242 Lima, we're on a squawk code for border crossing. Alright, no problem, thanks.
Oh, Troy, 1 Mike Romeo, are we still altitude restricted?
Mr. Romeo Echo, negative, sir. Thanks for the help. Out to your discretion now. You guys have a safe flight through the exchange group.
That's right. That was 441 Mike Romeo.
Number 441 Mike Romeo, out to your discretion as well.
Altitude discretion, 441 Mike Romeo. Okay, cool. We can go down to 800 feet.
Mr. Free Victor Hotel, runway 14 left, clear for the off.
14 left, Free Victor Hotel.
More left, 2 orbits. Yep. Right is clear. Yeah,
Boeing Tower, Skyhawk 436 here at Papa, holding short 14 left for a Mercer departure.
That's so much cooler than the 44 than the 20. I tell you what, man.
Taylor 6, Boeing Tower, transition approval on November 2999er. Give me a call at green light, please. Okay, give me a call West Point, that works perfect. Boeing 872, traffic ahead and to your left on base for the parallels assessed for the heavy in sight.
Tower, helicopter 429, lead max.
Coming up on 800 feet.
Just another second, thanks for your patience.
Northeast departure.